Well, we're on day 11, I think, of the lockdown in New Zealand for the COVID coronavirus. Um, as you can see, I've finished both sides of the cab. They're all glued and sealed, and today's job is to make the battens for the floor. That's the old polystyrene I've managed to dry out to reuse. So I'll make all the battens, possibly cut the floor sheets, and then tomorrow I'll start fitting up the underneath the bonnet area, put those panels up, and then the floor will go down. Making progress though. Trying out some paint on a different primer to make sure it's not going to react. Yeah.